Ostriches are fascinating creatures. Here are some interesting facts about them. Ostriches are the largest and heaviest living birds. They can sprint up to 43 mile/hour and maintain a steady pace at 31 mile/hour. The ostrich egg is the largest single cell found on Earth. Only dinosaurs laid larger eggs. One ostrich egg is roughly equal to 24 chicken eggs. Unlike most birds, ostriches have only 2 toes instead of 4. They do not actually bury their heads in the sand. This is a myth. Their nests are communal, with multiple females laying eggs in the same nest. Ostriches can kill a human or predator with a single powerful kick. They have the largest eyes of any land vertebrate, about the size of a billiard ball. Their brains are smaller than their eyes, which may explain their instinct-driven behavior. Ostriches have 3 sets of eyelids to protect their eyes from sand and debris. They can live up to 50 years. Their feathers are highly prized and used in fashion and decoration. Ostriches produce the strongest commercially available leather in the world.